In the realm of business, efficiency is the cornerstone of success. Enter the OEMS Designed to Amaze system, your new ally in the quest to master workforce management. Imagine a single streamlined hub where every piece of employee data is at your fingertips. Profiles, job descriptions, organization, certifications, assets assigned, training courses, and relevant competencies, all meticulously organized within the OEMS system. But it's the certification and training section that truly shines, offering a detailed view of your team's qualifications, training, certification, and learning achievements. Navigating within your organization has never been easier. Evaluate your employees' competencies independently and assign training and certifications as needed, all within the OEM system. With proactive notifications, expiring certifications will never catch you off guard. The OEMS system also excels in asset management, ensuring that any equipment entrusted to your staff is monitored and certification renewals are timely addressed. Embrace the OEMS system not just as a tool, but as a partner propelling you toward organizational brilliance. Welcome to the future of workforce management. The OEMS is designed to amaze,